Hello dear friends, I hope everything is okay. Today I will be here again with very short and light information. Actually, today's video will be about our friends who are just starting out. We do not leave our friends' questions unanswered, rather than at least making a video and describing a subject that is frequently asked and even asked by many of our new friends. Instead of describing it as a long time, we say you can watch this video right away. This is actually the subject of our video, What do our friends who have companies in America do? We open bank accounts for them. It could be Payoneer, it could be Wise, it could be Mercury Bank. Or we mentioned in another video that it can be opened from different banks. Now, new friends usually have a lot of questions about how to send money from these banks. Now, we will briefly show it here. How to send money, how to receive it, and what do we need to do. Now, as you know, we will shoot this separately. We will also draw separately for Mercury, such as Payoneer money sending and receiving, Wise money sending and receiving. Now here this is the interface of our Payoneer. In the interface, what concerns you is actually what we deal with the most regarding this issue, such as sending and receiving money. This share and withdraw transfer section is actually the place we use the most. If you want, I can at least show you what's what in account activity. Now, when we click on the share section, friends, it says to send money to the recipient's Payoneer account. When we click here, if the person to whom you will send or receive money has Payoneer, we ask for the email address that he registered with when entering Payoneer, and when you type it and click next, let me give you an example. Here, how much will I send from which account? Let's say dollar account, let's say $1,000. You can also write anything you want in purpose of payment. You can also write normal payment or something different. Then when you click review and give OK, it asks here, do you confirm? You click below and confirm. After that, when you write a share and write it, it goes away. The only point here is this. If you have sent money to this person before, it will not ask for any confirmation. If you have not sent it, you will receive a code on the phone number you registered with. It will send when you enter that code. Now, this is how it is to send money to someone who is Payoneer. If it's about sending money to someone with a non-Payoneer bank account, I'm talking about a different person, not to yourself. I will show it here on withdraw in a moment. Let's say you are going to send money to someone else, Mehmet Birkan. First of all, what you need to do is to look at this recipient section in the Manage Recipient Account section. My Bank of America bank information that I saved before and my Wise information are here. Here, it already says approved. I am adding new bank information. What will I add? Here, I will write the answers to these questions one by one and send the money to the account of my company in America, whether it is personal or company. Let's say in which country. I'm writing America. In what currency? I say dollar, I pass. My phone number, email. By the way, are you going to send money to the recipient, Mehmet Birkan? Mehmet Birkan's phone number, email address, company address or personal address and information of the other party. He says he asked two questions below. This person is actually asking this. Who does this bank account belong to? Does it belong to someone you bought goods from, logistics company, or does it provide text-related services? And so on and so forth. Or you can say me or my company. For example, I added my own Bank of America here. In fact, let me show you again in a moment. I can say that it is on my own account. I'm going down. Why are you sending this money? I pay taxes. If I receive any service, I send it. When you say I bought a product, I'm sending it. And then click Next. By the way, you enter the account details here, then confirm and do something to that person. Let me show you what happens after confirmation. When you add it to someone else, you will receive two emails first. It will say that the information in the bank account section you added is being examined after 15 minutes and half an hour. If it is correct, the information is approved and you can now send money directly to this person. Look here. Let's do something. When we say send money to the recipient bank account, look, I can send money directly to my account at Bank of America since it is approved, or even if it is someone else's account, it is the same. When you say share from here, you can add and send that person from the Manage Recipient Account section. Now, when you send money to someone who has Payoneer, You can send it from here to someone who has a bank without Payoneer, to someone in America, or from a wholesaler, dealer, wherever you buy goods from here. Let me show you the managed currency in a moment when you say withdraw to bank while issuing money to yourself. You say manage bank accounts. Look, I have Bank of America and Wise here again. When I click add bank account from here, I can add Turkey to America wherever I want. But remember, this withdraw account must be mine. Anyway, both of them seem to be the same place in Iceland, but you can think of one as making the money withdraw and sending it to me to my own bank, and the other as a counterparty. In the Manage Currency section, you can choose whichever USD you have and want to convert from USD to Canadian dollars or euros. At least while we're talking about it, let's give this information and extra information while we shot this video. In the Account Activity section, you can receive an Amazon account statement for the transactions, that is, the money you send and receive. You can buy your things monthly here. For example, a monthly statement is requested from friends who are tax companies and will submit tax returns. You can get it from here. Let's show this in the last part. Bank and cards. Here you can get a card. Look, when you click on the recipient bank account section, it comes to the same place. Look, we have a Bank of America and Wise account, etc. Now, sending and receiving money is actually that simple. I wanted to show it briefly. A lot of questions come up. At least when our friends ask questions about this, you can do it on the phone right here. We have to ignore it or explain it, but of course it would be better if there was a practical video like this. You can send money by doing your own thing from here. Your money purchases are also transferred to the other party in the same way. For example, if you have Payoneer, please provide your email. If you have a bank account, you give them your bank account. This time they can go to their own bank or whatever they use and send you your money. That's it for this video. There's actually nothing else to show for this. If you have any additional questions about these, please write in the comments section about Payoneer, or as I said, you can either visit our social media accounts, there are links here, or send an email to info@mehmet.birkan.com. Thank you for listening. A beginner or someone who has never made money-related transactions before, or I'm giving an example, sometimes this can happen. Wise was using it. Wise is shutting down, or Payoneer. He's forced to switch to Wise, or switch from Payoneer to Wise, and switch from Wise to Payoneer. So the friends who said they have never exchanged money here before have at least seen these things in this video. Thank you for listening. See you in another video. As I said, we will shoot Wise and Mercury in this video and add them separately and publish them in a single playlist under a separate playlist. See you later.